Welcome to this tutorial on how to add columns in a post on WordPress. In this guide, you will learn the necessary steps to adjust the way your post information is displayed by selecting the specific columns you want to see. The process is designed to be straightforward and can be completed in about 5 minutes. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, you will notice the WordPress homepage. It is important to start by accessing the login portal. Look toward the top right corner of the page where you can find and click on the login link. This action will direct you to the sign-in screen where you can proceed with the login process. After clicking on the login option, you are greeted with a few sign-in alternatives. At this stage, select the option labeled Continue with Google. This option allows you to authenticate using your Google credentials, which simplifies the login process by eliminating the need for a separate WordPress password. When you select Continue with Google, a list of available Google accounts from your browser will be presented. Choose the Google account that corresponds with your WordPress site. By doing so, you confirm your identity and gain access to your WordPress dashboard. Upon successful login, your next task is to locate and navigate to the area of your dashboard dedicated to posts. This section is typically labeled Posts and provides an overview of all your blog entries. Look for a link or tab labeled Posts and click on it. The Posts screen not only lists your previously published articles, but also provides options to manage various aspects of your posts. Once you are on the page where your posts are displayed, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find an option called Screen Options. Click on Screen Options to reveal a drop-down menu that includes checkboxes for various display elements. This menu allows you to customize what columns or details appear for each post listing. Adjusting these options is an excellent way to tailor your workspace to meet your needs. Within the Screen Options menu, you will see a number of checkboxes corresponding to specific details that can be shown alongside your posts. Evaluate the available columns and check only those that you wish to appear when you view your post listings. This might include details such as the post date, author, categories, or any custom fields you have set up. Choosing the appropriate columns helps streamline your workflow and allows you to quickly access important information about each post. After you have selected the desired columns, complete the process by clicking on the Apply button. This action confirms your choices and refreshes the post view with the new settings in place. Your dashboard will now display the selected columns, providing a customized layout that suits your organizational preferences. Throughout this process, the interface is designed to be user-friendly, and the step-by-step arrangement ensures that even beginners can follow along with ease. The changes you make in the screen options are immediately visible, allowing you to adapt the view of your posts to better manage your content. Enjoy the flexibility that comes with personalizing your WordPress dashboard, and take full advantage of the editable columns to enhance your overall blogging experience.